Welcome to our channel. Finding great movies on Fire Stick means knowing which apps offer the best film libraries legally. Follow these step-by-step instructions for movie lovers. Step 1. For blockbusters and new releases, subscribe to services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, HBO Max, or Disney+. Step 2. For classic and Criterion films, try the Criterion Channel, which specializes in important and influential cinema from around the world. Step 3. Download Tubi for free access to thousands of movies across all genres. The selection includes many well-known titles with ads. Step 4. Install Pluto TV and browse its dedicated movie channels, which run films 24/7 across various genres. Step 5. Try Peacock for Universal Pictures films and other NBC Universal content. The free tier includes many movies. Step 6. For independent and art house films, subscribe to MUBI, which adds one new hand-picked film daily to its rotating collection. Step 7. Check out Vudu for a mix of free ad-supported movies and paid rentals or purchases of new releases. Step 8. Use the JustWatch app or website to search for specific movies and find which streaming services currently offer them. Never use apps promising free access to theater releases or premium content, as these facilitate piracy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.